Hey everyone! Welcome back to Trend Scoop. Today, I'll show you how to make a super cool paper gun using just a few simple materials. Let's get started. First, grab two A4 sheets of paper. Roll one sheet tightly from corner to corner to make a long barrel. Secure it with tape so it doesn't unravel. Now, take the second sheet and cut it in half. Roll each half into a smaller tube. These will be your handle and trigger. Use scissors to shape the tube. Make a small curve at one end of the handle so it fits under the barrel. Tape it firmly in place. Now for the trigger. Cut a small piece off one of the rolls and bend it slightly. Tape it behind the handle, sticking out just a little. This gives the look of a real trigger. Want to add style? Decorate your gun with colored paper, stickers, or markers. You can even add a silencer by rolling another small paper tube and taping it to the front. And that's it, your DIY paper roll gun is ready. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome paper craft videos. See you next time on Trend Scoop.